What is an NFT? Non-fungible tokens explained. In theory, any object can be represented digitally, so NFTs are just one of many ways to make a digital copy of something physical. For example, if I were to take a picture of my favorite painting, I could encode it into a file format called JPEG and then upload it to a website. That would be a digital copy of the painting, but it wouldn't be an NFT. To make an NFT out of that image, I would need to add metadata to the file, such as information about who owns the painting and how much it's worth. Then I could put that file onto the blockchain, along with the price tag. When someone buys that NFT, they get access to the digital version of the painting, plus the metadata that proves its authenticity. At the moment, NFTs are used primarily to trade collectibles, like baseball cards or vintage vinyl albums. But they are starting to gain traction in the art world, too. A recent auction of a collection of rare books and manuscripts by the British Library netted nearly $1.5 million in sales, thanks in part to the sale of 3 NFTs representing the works. What are NFT tokens used for? Blockchain technology allows artists and content creators to monetize their wares. For example, artists can sell their work directly to consumers as NFT tokens, which also let them keep more of the profit. Artists can also program in royalty payments, so they'll receive a percentage of sales anytime their art is sold to another buyer. This is an attractive option because artists typically don't receive any future proceeds after their art sells the first time. Art isn't the only way to make a buck with NFTs. Companies like Charmin and Taco Bell have auctioned off themed art to raise funds for charities. Charmin called its offering NFTP, non-fungible toilet paper, and Taco Bell's NFT art sold out within minutes, with the highest bid coming in at 1.6 WETH, equivalent to $4,092.67 at time of writing. Nyan Cat, a cartoon cat with a Pop-Tart body, sold for almost $600,000 in January. And NBA Top Shot raised more than $500 million as of mid-March. A single LeBron James highlights NFT fetched more than $200,000. Even celebrities like Snoop Dogg and Lindsay Lohan are getting into the act, releasing unique memories, art and moments as securitized NFTs. How to buy NFTs? If you're keen to start your own NFT collection, you'll need to acquire some key items. First, you'll need to get a digital wallet that allows you to store NFTs and cryptocurrencies. You'll likely need to purchase some cryptocurrency, like Ether, depending on what currencies your NFT provider accepts. You can buy crypto using a credit card on platforms like Coinbase, Kraken, eToro, and even PayPal and Robinhood now. You'll then be able to move it from the exchange to your wallet of choice. You'll want to keep fees in mind as you research options. Most exchanges charge at least a percentage of your transaction when you buy crypto. Should you invest in crypto? Cryptocurrencies are volatile investments, and they're also risky. That said, cryptocurrencies are gaining popularity among investors, and some people believe they could replace traditional currencies. However, cryptocurrencies aren't backed by any government or central bank, and they're often traded through unregulated exchanges. These factors make them highly speculative, and they can fluctuate wildly. So before you invest in crypto, consider these risks. First, cryptocurrencies are very volatile. They've seen wild swings in value, and they can go down just as quickly as they can go up. Second, cryptocurrencies aren't regulated by any government agency. This means that cryptocurrency exchanges aren't subject to the same rules and regulations as banks and financial institutions. Third, cryptocurrencies aren't backed or guaranteed by any government or central banking system. Because of this, cryptocurrencies aren't considered safe havens against inflation or currency devaluation. Finally, cryptocurrencies are traded through unregulated exchanges. This means that you won't know who owns your coins until you sell them. And once you do sell them, you'll have to deal with the consequences of trading on an unregulated exchange. With these risks in mind, it may be best to avoid cryptocurrencies altogether. Subscribe, like and comment for more about NFTs.